Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Today, I'm going to show you a fun and super easy craft that you can make for Mom for Mother's Day, which is what we were talking about this week in our story time. Like I said, this one's super easy. You can make a lovely flower to give to Mom. I have 3 examples, and of course if you would like to have more than one flower, because maybe you have more than one person you'd like to give a Mother's Day flower to. Maybe your grandmother would like one, or somebody else that you love like a mom. So this is how I colored mine. But the possibilities are endless. So what you'll get when you come by to pick up supplies, whether you do curbside or if you come into the building, you will get this piece of cardstock that has a flower on it, and you'll get a popsicle stick. So what you're going to do, of course, is using your crayons, color your flower in completely. You will cut it out, and then you can use a green marker or perhaps a green crayon if Mom doesn't want you to have a marker just yet. Either one will work just fine, but washable markers are really great for a craft like this. So you'll put those 2 together, and using Scotch tape, you can just tape your stick right on the back, and voila, you have a lovely flower that you can give. And you could even write a nice little note telling Mom how much you love her on the back. So I hope that you enjoy this lovely craft and have a wonderful day celebrating Mom. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.